This is Joan of Arc, Alex,
And we're gonna
Jason,
get some Turkish ice
and Myra. We are here at the Souq Waqif, meaning an old market.
Like
In
traditional
Ilonggo,
markets.
it's called Daan nga Tindahan. But of course,
Traditional,
it's
not old.
okay. Traditional market.
Old market.
Okay.
Okay, yeah.
Okay.
But Daan nga Tindahan, Daan Tindahan. That's what you call it in Ilonggo. But this is not so old, and this is not the market that I
Okay.
expected.
Okay.
This is so shop. So we're going to have Turkish ice cream.
Turkish
Wow. So what do we do?
Okay, close.
So we're choosing 3 ice cream flavors. They're
Lemon,
lemon,
chocolate,
chocolate,
vanilla.
and vanilla. And I haven't tried in my whole life a lemon ice cream. So for this experience, I would like to try lemon ice cream.
Lemon.
Turkish ice cream.
Yes.
Wow. Lemon. So then I have just one chocolate. Which do you recommend? Chocolate. But I haven't tried
Lemon.
So maybe a lemon ice cream. I haven't tried. Where's my video? Oops, oops.
What was that? How did you do it?
Take
Oh.
it.
Oh my goodness!
Take it, take.
Pretzels.
Okay, bye.
Nothing. How did he do that?
Yes.
Oh my goodness!
Please take it, take, madam, take. Why? Please.
Because there's no
Take
ice
it,
cream.
take it.
He's really not giving me my ice cream.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you.
Wait, 1 minute. Yes, opa.
Is this really mine now? Oh, yay! Thank you.
Thank you so much.
And how much does this cost? 18 riyal.
Thank you very much.
Shukran. Salamat. Thank you.
Thanks so much.
Wow.
Bye.
What is thank you in Turkish?
Teşekkür ederim.
That's so long.
Teşekkür ederim.
Teşekkür ederim. I can't
What
spell
is
it.
ice cream in Turkish?
Dondurma.
Dondurma.
Dondurma maş. Gel yana yavaş.
There is no Ilonggo word for ice cream.
You'll be
Ice
famous
cream.
in YouTube.
Yes, no problem.
Enjoy it.
Oh my goodness. How did he do that?
Yes.
Oh my goodness.
Take it, madam, take. Bye.
Because there's no ice cream. He's really not giving me my ice cream. Name is
Nevzat.
Zat
Evet, Nevzat.
Nevzat.
Yes.
Why is it so hard to pronounce? Thank you so much.
you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
This thumb is
First
so good.
first time I tried lemon ice cream, and it's so nice, so refreshing. Give it a thumbs up like this
Like-
sculpture.
like, share, and subscribe, and give this video a big
Thumbs up. Yay.
Aalis na ako at hindi na ako babalik.
Where did you get that dialogue?
On TikTok.
Ah, okay.
I have a lot of TikToks.